Let's get it started like a kickoff. Rule number 1, I rule, I'm number 1. They say, be your brother's keeper, and we all know Oliver can. But it doesn't mean Oliver should prevent a brother from getting to his goals, because if you block all my chances and there is no goal, it's a draw. And when the game is over, you cannot assist my goals even if I raise the bars. So after I dropped the stars, a lot of commentators and spectators said I was a pass-through. So I had to come right back to drop number 2. And now I feel so ahead of the game, no offside. So if you're a fan, don't be left back, number 3. So like 2 and then 3, I had to throw in some creativity. Although the game is not fair, I'm trying to blow like a whistle. Referee. But trust me, when I substitute rap with poetry, I do justice to it. So even if you're on the bench, you can't judge me, because I came in the game. Forget about lines, man. So a fan asked me why I rap for. I told them, time is money. Many Swadi Hunane say menya extra time, so I'll be willing and able to give out free food, free clothes, and free kicks. Also, I want to be the last man standing like number 5. So the last time in an interview, I was asked where I'm coming from and where I'm heading. Simply put, I'm hoping to control the center of the game like 6 and 8. We are all hustling and bustling like 3 points we all want to win. So to those people at the corner crossing us, acting like you're 7, indirect, life is a play and we all players. Let me chip in this. I remember when I used to be a player with the ladies. I dated 3 at a go. I used to play some hat tricks, and sometimes I dated 2 at a go. But I had to brace myself, home and away, after I dated this number 9 girl Fafa, because really, you don't want to know the penalty I paid. That just came along the line. I'm a cool, skinny black guy. But like number 10, when I strike, I shoot stars, even at the 11th hour. So with this piece, I just want to say, never quit, even if you're at the verge of losing, because you don't always win with clean sheets. For me, by fair or foul, I know I'll win. You know I'll win. I know you win, and they know we will win. Tino mubu ya bem kacha esa brabo neding. Hazard. Football.